Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301657, and this is a 2021 Ford F-150 Lariat, and our color is white. Let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got on this unit. All right, so we have the power windows, mirrors with folding mirrors, power locks, memory seat with a power driver seat and lumbar support. Got our interior and exterior lighting control, hatch release, parking brake, power adjustable foot pedals, along with a power adjustable steering wheel, which also includes hands-free stereo remote controls, cruise control settings. We are satellite radio ready. We've got our auto start stop, camera, traction control, trailer brake, push start ignition, 4x4 controls, electronic and dual climate control with heated and vented front seats, USB charging ports, automatic transmission. We've got our sunroof controls as well, garage door openers, and our interior color, black with brown accents. Moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, the 60/40 split bench seat, which also comes heated, a couple more USB charging ports for your rear passengers. And on to our exterior. We've got our running boards, 18-inch Ford rims, mud flaps, rear parking aid, a rear view camera, fob release tailgate, a spray-on bed liner, and a hard tonneau cover. And there you have it, guys. That is stock number 301657. You've just checked out this white 2021 Ford F-150 Lariat. Thanks for watching.